Okay, interesting. So, and that was very bizarre. That was interesting. So I was about to say that we were going to use the left lane there. I'm going to be reporting that for sure. That was very abrupt. Not a fan of that behavior. In the 11.3.1, the car was doing a pretty consistent job after the first drive of using that left lane there instead of the far left turn lane instead of this one. And you can see again here, it continues to try to use that cross back over the other lane. And that's behavior I've seen a couple times now. So it still seems to lose track of where it's at. I'd honestly prefer it to take the inside turn lane there, just because of the fact it avoids issues like the one we just experienced. But in most of my drives with 11.3.1, it stayed to the far left and used the far left turn lane. And that usually netted us pretty good results where I didn't have to do anything. The car stayed in the proper lane after it made the turn and everything was good. But as you see there, not really good behavior. So 2 spots there. I should have probably disengaged the first time. We had nobody really too close behind us with that first one there. But man, that second one was not great either. So room for improvement, no doubt.